this is solid proofed to me. You've got this supposed natural formation, really flat. You see, and then it angles. So you have that angle, and then it runs continuously to that structure. Not quite turned into a natural mountain like this. None of that's natural. It's a structure. This seems to be a part of it. You have these corners. There's a ridge up there. These are just structures. One there, down there. They have this structure here. Mountain on the bottom, rock. Another one down there. So as you see these iron rods coming out, there's one on the trail, just sticking out from the ground. Red clay dirt. It's another structure. And we'll see what's in it. Crystallized rock there. So here's the crusher, and you can see the hillsides here, the walls. Here. Continues over there. Walls. You got wall here, some here, goes that way. There's some up top. There. More 90-degree flat walls. See there. 90 comes out, wall structure over here. About 90 structure. This is what they call a quarry, supposedly left over. It's in the middle of this preserve, or on the edge of it, near the top of it. These looking like structure, of course. It's all melted. All flowing down here. Huge blocks. a gap right here. Way up. Let's see what kind of view we can get up here. Oh, nice. All structure. Pretty good ways down right there. Not gonna get close. Nice little 30-foot crack drop off between the structures. This piece is still there. We fell over. It's right off the trail here. It's more 90-degree angles. You got this whole wall. This whole mountainside was a building, structures, and you see there, flat. Then you go to 90-degree here. Another one here. Runs all the way down and then it starts to drop. Just walked up on this off the trail. This is one side of it. Here. Looks like it's about 15, 20 feet high. No idea, no sign or anything.